friends, I'm getting ready to make a couple of real nice thick cabbage steaks for my dinner. And I love this. I can eat cabbage any time of the year, just about any way, except I don't care for it boiled. But anyway, I was going to show you how I do this. I thought I'll do a video. This stuff is fantastic. And a lot of people, when they think of cabbage, they think of like boiled dinners. And it's like, there's just not much taste in the cabbage that way. But I'm telling you, if you roast your cabbage, it roasts the flavor into it, and it is so intensified. It is wonderful. So anyway, okay, that little end is cut off pretty good. I'm going to cut it one more time. Okay, throw that in my sink. Okay, now I am just going to cut, and you see me peel the outside layer off. I'm going to cut these about a good inch thick. I love it that way. And this is a small head with nice tight leaves. See that? Beautiful. I might get one more in there. Okay. So now I got that. And I always leave the core on it because it holds it all together beautifully. Okay? So, let's slide that over because I'm only going to do a couple of these. Here is my pan. You are definitely going to want to put a little oil in the bottom of your pan as well. Otherwise, you'll be eating these out of the pan. You won't be able to get them out. Okay, so we're going to put that one there. And this is perfect for two of them. And we're going to put that there. Now, I need my little brush. Because we are going to put a little oil on the tops and the sides of these, okay? And I'm just going to brush it around. And make sure you get it on the sides because that helps it to not burn. Okay? Brush them real good on the sides. When I'm held together, they're going to be wonderful. And by the way, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees or 180 Celsius. So, you know what? We're going to see if we can't stick this little guy. No, he won't fit in there. I'll just use him because I'm going to make coleslaw later. So anyway, with that, okay, I'm going to use a little bit of my house blend on here, my house seasoning. Oh, and this will be wonderful. Okay, got that. I'm going to use a little onion powder. Just kind of sprinkle it on there. Alright, and then I'm going to use a couple pinches of paprika. Nice smoky paprika. Wow, that will be wonderful. Okay, there we have it. That's simple, friends. And this makes a wonderful side dish as well. So, we are now going to cover this with a little piece of aluminum foil. No water, nothing in it. No broth, no nothing. Just cover it just the way it is because we are roasting this. This, my friends, is going to go into the oven, 350 degrees, for about 20 minutes to a half an hour. It just depends on your oven. Mine takes a little bit longer. Some people will be able to get away with 20 minutes, but mine takes a little bit more. So mine will go about 30 minutes. Okay? And when this is done, I'll bring it back and I'll show you how wonderful it looks. Okay, friends, I just took it out of the oven. It's still got about 10 more minutes to go, but I'm going to take this little foil off in it. And see, it really is getting pretty. Can you see that okay? Okay, so I'm going to put it back in my oven for the last 10 minutes so it gets nice and crispy around the sides. There. In about 10 minutes I'll be back and show you. Okay, friends, I am back and I just took this out of the oven and they are done and they are beautiful. my cabbage steaks. So, I am going to plate these up, and these are going to be beautiful. Oh, they're going to be just delicious. And there you have it. Look at those. What a delicious side dish. They're easy to make, wonderful, and you can have them any time of year. So, there you have it. I'm going to go enjoy dinner. Thanks for watching.